Wednesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vazuric visiting with Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, this is kind of the beginning of a hot spell for the Tri-State area.
Yeah, Joe, you got that exactly right. We're going to see temperatures today climb up there into the middle 90s. We don't have a lot of that haze. There's still a little bit of haze out there, but as that high pressure kind of builds out to the west and eventually the axis moves over us tomorrow and for Friday and then pushes off to the east over the weekend, we're going to see that clear out this afternoon. Sunshine will come out and those temperatures will climb up there to around 95. And then as we head into tomorrow, and for Friday, we're going to see 98, nearing 100 degrees for our high temperatures. And then high pressure will move off to the east. A trough will try to come into the northwest and move along the Canadian border. That would send some weak cool fronts down here Saturday evening and on Sunday. But it does look like that ridge of high pressure will immediately build back in behind it late Sunday into Monday, then move over the center part of the country for all of next week. And what that scenario does is we may get a little bit of warming or a stop of warming there on Saturday and Sunday, where it'll still be in the middle to upper 90s for a day or so. But on Sunday afternoon, when that high pressure starts building back in from the west, we're going to see the triple-digit heat come into effect. We'll probably hit 100 degrees or even more on Sunday. And as we go into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week, we are talking temperatures in that 104 to 110 degree range that could possibly break area records. So we're definitely planning on a heat wave to be moving in here Sunday through the middle of next week. That means our heat indexes will go 105 to 110 as well, be higher to the east where there's more humidity, less to the west where it's drier, but as those southwest winds blow at 15, 25 miles per hour at times in the afternoon, we'll have fire concerns out to the west there in Colorado. The other thing is the moisture is shutting off. Even with those couple of chances there Saturday, Sunday, we're looking at 7 to 14-day precipitation totals of only being around 1/4 of an inch in some locations like Colby, maybe 40 hundredths out along the border, and upwards to 3/4 of an inch to an inch up there in Nebraska and the McCook area. So that is well below normal for this time of year. We should be seeing, 2-3 inches at a time in the 14-day period, and we're only going to be looking at a 1/4 inch or so. So that's going to bring back the drought concerns and all that goes with this dry and hot spell as we end July and move into August. There is some indication that we could see some cool fronts and some stuff there after the first part of August, but that's something that we'll have to keep an eye on. Out there this morning, we got temperatures that range in the 50s out in Colorado. We got 65 in Goodland, 61 in Colby, 60 in McCook. Still got the haze being reported up there in our Nebraska monitors. That'll clear out. And again, like we said, the winds will start off in the morning from the southwest, turn to the southeast in the afternoon the next 2 or 3 days, become a bit breezier Friday and Saturday, where they could be blowing from the south at 15 to 25. But the main thing is going to be the heat. High temperatures in that upper 90s, low 100s, middle 100s, 105, 106 there early next week. And our overnight lows will be from the middle 60s starting tonight and tomorrow night, heading upwards to the low 70s as we go into early next week.
Once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Vazuric.